Alright, so this is Figma. First thing to do na gagawin natin ay mag-sign up. Okay? So bago natin pag-usapan yung mga design terms and definitions, so mag-sign up muna tayo sa Figma. So kapag meron na kayong Figma, kahit skip nyo na to, or kung designer na kayo na marami na kayong tools na ginagamit, pwede nyo nang skip ang uh, step na to. No? Para to sa mga wala pang Figma na account. So, papakita ko sa inyo paano mag-sign up sa Figma. First, so, bakit Figma yung napili ko na ituro sa inyo? Although, I started my design career sa Photoshop, then nag-sketch ako, at nag-Adobe XD, at now ay Figma. So, simple answer is Figma is a free para sa mga nagsisimula. Pero later on, you need to have a subscription na magbabayad. At one of the best thing din ng Figma ay pwede siya sa Mac, pwede rin siya sa Windows. Not like Sketch na pang Mac lang siya. At yung Adobe XD naman, may trial din siya for 1 month, but it's a paid. Alam natin na Adobe, it's very expensive para sa mga baguhan. So, Figma, it's a free to use as long na one design file lang. So, you can learn Figma sa free version. Okay, so Figma, there's two products of Figma. It's called Figma and FigJam. But FigJam, it's more on collaboration. So, bali, ginaya lang din nila yung Miro. So, mga designers kasi nagkakaroon sila ng brainstorming, then sila nag-user journey mapping, at mga halos ngayon kasi almost remote na yung work. So, that's the born of FigJam. Okay, so but let's focus on Figma. Figma, it's used for designs, prototyping, design systems, and developments. Alright, so this is their homepage. Ayan, so sa homepage nila makikita nyo na wow, this is very dynamic kasi nakikita ko na ayan, sumusunod yung design badge. One of the best thing ng Figma din ay collaboration. So, pwede kayo mag-design ng sabay-sabay. But the other freelancer, they take this as a negative for them because the client, yung pwede sila makita habang nagdi-design or hindi sila nagdi-design. But it's a good features. Okay, so pricing, let's discuss first the pricing. Figma pricing, it's free as long we have 3 Figma FigJam files. So 3 files, it's free. And unlimited personal files, so unlimited yon, unlimited collaborators. So pwede nyo send sa kahit sino yung link, pero hindi sila makakapag-edit. No, mabibview lang nila yung design or makikita nila habang nagdi-design kayo. So, plugins and templates naman, ma-access naman lahat yan. And mobile apps. But, pag natuto na kayo at may mga client na kayo, of course, kailangan nyo na magkaroon ng mga folders, ibang pages para sa bawat projects nyo. So, kailangan nyo na din mag-upgrade, which is $12 per editor. Pero, it will be more cheaper kapag yearly or annual yung billing nyo. Kasi kapag monthly, it's like it's $15. Okay. So, that's the pricing. So, Figma organization naman ay para to sa mga company. So, enterprise, lalo sa mga enterprise. Okay. So, that's it. So, let's get started for free version. So, magsa-sign up tayo for a free version ng Figma, not FigJam. Okay? So, actually, pag nag-register kayo ng Figma, yung dalawang products na rin ay magagamit nyo na. Alright. So, nowadays, lahat naman tayo may Google accounts na. So, we can continue with Google. Then, may magpa-pop up dyan para pumasok kayo sa Google accounts nyo. So, let's use this one of my account. That's it. Voila. It's easy to sign up, but it will prompt you with like a simple survey, a short survey of Figma to improve their product. So welcome to Figma. What is your name? So my name is Jess. That's my online name. And what kind of work do you do? So I'm a marketing, product management student or educator, software development, design, user research, other. So basically my role right now is I'm a product manager, so I can choose a product management. But if you are a student, so you can choose a student or educator and design. So let's choose like design for now. And for personal use, for work, for teaching or taking a class. So I will choose for teaching or taking a class. Okay. Then next, so invite your collaborator. So take note on this. Never make them an editor, because if you make them an editor, it will add it to your bill. So let's do this later. Okay, where do you work? So at a company, at an agency, as a freelancer, as a founder in school, at a boot camp. So let's say at a boot camp. So we can call that boot camp, then continue. So what brings you to Figma? Using it for school, using it for work, using it for fun, looking for the right design tools, sharing it with my team, use it before and want to again. Not sure, I'm new to Figma. So let's say this. Not sure, I'm new to Figma. And what do you collaborate with most often? Students, teachers, teammates, clients, just myself. For me, students. So you can choose whatever you preferred for. And choose a plan for your team. So, of course, Figma is trying to make money, sell. So they will ask you if you want to pay or not. So let's start for free. And what would you like to do first? It's a Figma or FigJam. So let's choose first Figma. And this is your canvas. Uh, okay, there's a tools we called it. It's uh, tool tips, right? It will help you to make it familiarize with every tool. So we can close it for now. And this is your first file of Figma. So you can click here for untitled and you can name it like my first design, whatever you want, you can name it. And the homepage or the dashboard of Figma is this. So you can click this and you can choose the themes, light or dark version, so what you preferred for. And settings, you have all the settings. So you know the drill of this. So it's similar for every product or every software you signed up. So Figma said that you have only 3 files for free. So we have 1 and 2. So first file, it's like a free file from Figma. So you can get started. You can like the colors of your team, but basically we can delete this, so we can have our own 3 files. So we have a first design, second design, third design. But for me, as a student, like one file is enough to learn more, because this is an infinite canvas. So we can make this color. Yeah, this red one is the infinite canvas. So to show you what is infinite canvas, yeah, we can zoom very far and it's very what we call this, yeah, very malapit. Okay, so infinite canvas, we can use hand tool, so we can navigate wherever we want to go. So that's infinite. So you can create a lot of pages here, a lot of screens sa infinite canvas na to. At dito, iisa-isahin natin yung mga tools na to, paano to gagamitin. It's very simple. It's very simple. Kung marunong na kayo sa ibang mga design tools, it's very similar. So, kapag designer kayo, kailangan nyo lang malaman or mga fundamentals, yung mga basics, dahil kahit saan kayo pumuntang tools ay halos pare-pareho na yon. Okay, that's how you can install and register Figma. But take note, you can download also a desktop app for Figma. So it will look like similar lang at wala masyadong pinagkaiba. So this is it looks like. So you can create a new file like this. It's very similar. At yung downside ng Figma ay hindi nyo siya magagamit, or magagamit siya pero mas preferred online lahat. So dahil collaborator file siya or design tool, so dapat meron kayong internet. Internet is a must. So kapag gusto nyo maging designer, kailangan may internet kayo. So hindi parehas ng ibang mga design tool like Adobe na pwede kayong makapag-design kahit walang internet. Pero pag Figma, sorry, you can create or design locally pag nasa desktop kayo, pero ang problem doon, like yung fonts sometimes na karamihan kasi ng fonts ay nasa cloud na rin. Anyway, let's discuss that more deeper sa mga susunod nating lessons. So next up, we discuss the frames. Okay, what is this frames? Oh, before that, let's discuss the definition of all the design, general terminologies. Okay, then we can proceed to frames. All right, for now, let's bye-bye.